Toledo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site perched on a hill above the Tagus River, served as Spain's capital until Philip II transferred it to Madrid in 1560. For anyone traveling to central Spain, the city is a must-see. The cathedral, Alcazar and Jewish quarter, which contains two of Spain's few intact synagogues, are the primary attractions. El Greco was born in Toledo, and the city's museums, galleries and churches are home to many of his masterpieces. His masterpiece, the Burial of Count Orgas, which is kept in the Iglesia de Santo Tome, is the most well known. You won't find as many attractions packed into a short space anywhere else in Spain. One day is not enough to do the city justice because there is so much to see. If you have the time, you should try to stay overnight, so that you can visit some of the many attractions early in the morning before the crowds of tourists arrive. Additionally, it allows you the chance to eat regional specialties like stewed partridge at Toledo's authentic Castilian restaurants in the evening. The history of the city predates the Romans, but it was during their rule that Toledo became a strategically significant location at the geographic center of Roman Hispania. In the 6th century, the Visigoths relocated their city to this location, and Toledo later became the Muslim capital of central Spain under the rule of the Moors. Alfonso VI conquered the city in 1085, and Toledo was recognized by the Vatican as the Spanish Catholic Church's administrative center. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The magnificent cathedral, the Alcazar fortress, two synagogues and the Iglesia de Santo Tome, home to El Greco's best work, are just a few of the city's must-see attractions. More of his creations can be found in structures all across the city. You can only obtain a breathtaking panoramic view of the city's top attractions if you are staying at or close to the Toledo Parador. However, it is not possible from within the narrow lanes of the historical center. The stunning Parador is situated on the Cerro del Emperador, 5 minutes drive from the ancient city. The spectacular views across to the city center, with its cathedral and Alcazar fortress clearly visible, fully make up for the minor inconvenience of being unable to stroll into the town thanks to the splendor of this former Toledo country house. In addition, the hotel has a fantastic restaurant and pool, so it's pleasant to be able to return home for the late afternoon and evening after a day of exploring Toledo. Toledo is well recognized for its cuisine. If you're looking for something special serving up traditional Castilian dishes like partridge or roast suckling pig, it's a good idea to plan your dining rather than choosing a restaurant at random. You'll find plenty of bars and restaurants offering good value menos del día.